What's up, yo? Welcome back to another video, guys. This is a sponsored video. The nice people at ShineArmor hit me up on Instagram and they sent me one of their products to give my honest opinion and review. The product just arrived today. I'm gonna wash the car and just use the product. Again, I'm gonna give my honest opinion, even though this is a sponsorship. I'm gonna give my honest opinion of how the product works. And you guys can actually take a look at the car after I wash it, because the car is very filthy right now. After washing, I'm gonna spray on the product and show you guys the end result. Alright guys, this is the product. This is the box it comes in. So we get right there, ShineArmor Graphite ceramic spray. It's supposed to give the car a good shine. Also comes with a sprayer and a microfiber towel. I believe there's two of them. Yeah. And nothing else comes in the box. Alright, let's wash the car and spray this sucker on. Alright, so before getting started, I want to show you guys how dirty, filthy the car is. As you can see, look at all that dirt and grime. All that dirt. Bird shit all over the car. You know, just again, I want to give my honest opinion of this product and see if it works. It's not just say anything because but again, up close, look how dirty the car is. Everything's dirty. Again, there's bird doo-doo all over the place. Let's get started on the wash. Alright y'all, just finished washing the car. Just give it a little walk around. There's still some water spots on the windshield, but that's something that I'll be taking care of. I have the product here, and I'm gonna start from the front. Let me just make sure I show you guys, you know, right there, ShineArmor. Now it says to spray it onto the microfiber towel and then wipe, square shape, and then spray on. Oop. I think that's a good amount. In the sun. So let's see what happens. I think I'm just gonna spray it onto the car. It's so windy today. Guys, let me know if you see any difference, but I think the product works. This is a silver color, so it's hard to really see unless I use this on a darker color, but it works. I even use it on the wheels. Probably not supposed to, but I don't care. On this, it has ceramic coat in it, so I'm gonna like pour some water on the car to see if it just slides right off. Here we go. fix the rest. But the car looks pretty shiny all around, except for this little hiccups right there the other day. Again, the product really works. I'm not just saying that because this is a sponsored video. It really does work. I see the difference in the paint and the shine, just all around. I know the paint itself is not in perfect condition, but regardless of that, I'm really impressed by this product. Go follow at ShineArmor. Link will be in the description. My sponsorship link will be in the video description. And that's it.